share the link, so then whenever you need, you can go
Okay.
through it, right? Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
So then here, yeah, circle theorems. Now see, whenever you draw a triangle, can you see these two sides are equal? What is the reason for them to equal?
They're two equal because
Because they are
this
radius
same.
of same circle,
Yeah.
right? Okay. And then, what do you know about isosceles triangles? If I draw
Isosceles triangles is
two sides are
yeah,
equal.
two sides are the same length. Yes.
What else?
Uh, so I think we did this in school today. You have to do to make the whole thing. You have to go 180. Whatever's on two sides,
Mm-hmm.
you have to either add them both and then take it away by one.
No, no. What I'm asking, simple thing. Now, if I name this triangle as A, B, C, E, you know
Yeah.
two sides are equal, right? There are some other properties in isosceles triangles,
Yeah.
which is these two angles also equal.
Yeah.
If this angle is x, this angle also x. How
Yeah.
you identify that? One, see, this angle is in front of one of these equal sides,
Yeah.
other one is in front of the other side.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That is a property of isosceles triangle,
Okay.
a very important property. That's what they've marked over here. Can you see one line and one line? So they show you that these two angles are equal in magnitude.
Yeah.
And the
Yeah.
same way,
So
these two
sides are
angles are equal. Why? Double lines mean those two also equal. Why?
yeah.
This is again isosceles. This is very important theorem, because you see this sort of triangles in circle theorem questions, right?
Yeah.
And the second is tangent to circle makes a right angle with the radius at that point. So you know, when you draw tangent at the point of contact, to the point of contact, if you draw a radius, that radius is perpendicular to that particular tangent.
Mm. Yeah.
That's the second theorem, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me quickly do the other two theorems. Angle in the semicircle is right angle. That is rule number 3. I'll share this class note to you also, then you can go through it.
Yeah.
So if you draw a triangle inside semicircle, right? Semicircle in the sense, one of the sides are diameter. Now you can see this is a diameter, right? So this angle is 90 degrees, right?
Yeah.
That is the
Yeah.
third rule or third theorem. Then fourth theorem, a diameter bisect a chord at right angle, right? That also I'll give you. So whenever you draw chord, and if you draw diameter, bisecting a chord means splitting it in exactly half. The word bisect meaning is you are dividing it into half. Any chord which is perpendicular to bisector of another chord must be a diameter, right? If you draw chord, and if you draw perpendicular, which is obviously a diameter, right? That is the fourth rule. Fifth rule. Fifth rule is the one that we just discussed. See,
Yeah.
uh, angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference, right? Rule 5, the angle subtended at the center of the circle is double the angle subtended at the circumference. So if this is 2a, this is a, right?
Yeah.
Same, these angles subtending on from the same 2 points. If a, b, c, normally center we always use letter o, like that, right? Theorem 5 and theorem 6. Angles subtended by an arc in the same segment are equal. Angles subtended by an arc, see, A, B, see, same 2 points, see,
Yeah. Yeah.
both are equal, right? I think these are the theories that your school teacher might give you. I don't think, did they do something related to cyclic quadrilaterals? Can you remember?
I don't know. No, I don't think we've done this part.
Ah,
Wait.
okay.
No, no,
Cyclic
no.
quadrilaterals? No,
I
right?
don't think so, you know.
Quadrilaterals inside circle? No. Yeah. Okay,
No,
then
no.
I'll give you questions from this.
I think I just need to know how to just work it out for. I think the first one you showed me, a question like that might come up.
Yeah, yeah.
Um,
Don't worry. I'll do random questions with you now. Yeah, we'll do these three quickly. Find the value of each letter in the diagram below. So, what do you think? What is the value of E?
E, so it's 36. The other side would be 36 as well.
Yeah, I agree. This is 36, but you don't
Yeah.
need that.
We don't need it?
We don't need it. What do you know about this? This is a tangent.
Yeah. So, yeah.
This is a radius. What do you know about tangent and radius? They are
Right hand.
perpendicular, which means 36 plus E is equal to 90 degrees, isn't it?
Okay, yeah.
You can write the reason as first theorem. See, tangent to circle makes right angle with radius.
Okay.
So I'm writing, make sure to write the reason also. Huh?
Okay.
Tangent make right angle with radius. So we can write E equal 90 minus 36. E equal
Okay, so when it has the line below the circle, I
yeah,
have to that it's a right angle. So then I do I do 36 plus, so always it's equal 90, right? So
it's equal to 90. It's equal
yeah,
to 90 because see this if this side is 90 mean this side also 90.
yeah.
So
Yeah, so then after I have to flip it around, and then I put E equals 90 take away 36.
exactly,
Yeah, so then I have to take it away now, that 54. Okay.
exactly, because when you take this plus 36 to the other side, which becomes minus 36, right?
Yeah, and the definition they're gonna ask like give a reason, because I even missed was
Exactly,
yeah,
exactly. So don't worry, Naila. I'm gonna do this lesson in detail, right? I mean, we are
yeah,
doing a lot of questions from this in later. Now, for now, I'll just brief you.
yeah.
Uh, we are doing a lot of questions, so you will remember all the theorems later. But for now, we'll just go through it quickly, right? We'll do maybe one question. This one B.
Okay.
Shall we try to find out P and Q?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Okay.
What's the value of P?
So uh there's no tangent line, is there?
There's no tangent.
Yeah, okay. So 63, then P looks bigger. Oh, it's the same. Is it 63 and 63?
Exactly. P also equal to 63. What is the reason? Because these two sides equal and angles in base angles of isosceles triangle. That's the reason.
Yeah.
Base
Okay. P.
angle of an isosceles Triangle.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so the base of base angle.
Base angles of an isosceles triangle is equal.
Okay, so we'll need to find P and Q. So then I'll have 110. So then can I do 110 take away 180 or
Very good, very good. Which is
110 take away 180 is 70.
okay, 70. So what do you think? Now this triangle?
Okay, so there's 70. Wait. So one side would be 70?
No.
110.
Isn't this side equal?
Yeah, they're equal.
If they're equal, what about this angle? What is this angle?
This wait, so would one be 35?
Exactly. Why this is also Q.
Yeah.
Then you can write 2Q equal 180 minus 110.
Yeah.
Reason you can write angle sum of triangle.
Yeah.
Angle sum of triangle is 180. So therefore Q equal 35. To reduce the letters, you can use this symbol for layer word angle. You can use this symbol for triangle when you do the reasoning, right?
Yeah. Okay, so
Good.
Okay.
Good. Few more questions from another theorem. What do you think? What is the value of A?
Value of A, so A
I'll
so
show
hold
you
on.
theorem. What is this theorem?
This is
Angle in a semicircle is
right angle. Okay.
right angle. So according to that, A is
Semicircle. So it's a right angle.
A equal 90. Directly you write the theorem. Angle in semicircle is a right angle. What about this one? This is 37 degrees. You need to find C. Can you remember that theorem?
37 degrees.
See this theorem, a diameter bisect a chord at right angle.
Yeah,
Right?
okay.
Okay, so if you draw a diameter to a chord, see, they're drawing a diameter to chord, so we can tell this angle is 90 degree, ne?
Yeah.
Which is 90 mean, can't we find value of C now?
Yeah.
You can
So
write C plus 37 plus 90, 180. But you need to write the reason.
C because it's this, is it the same? No.
Not same. We actually use that the most important thing that we found using theorem
Use the
is this is
right
90.
hand.
Right.
Yeah, the 90.
Then you can tell angle in triangle. Meantime, you can tell this theorem. What is the theorem? This is the theorem. Diameter bisect a chord at right angle. Diameter bisect a chord at right angle. Now you can find the value. C equals 180 minus
Okay.
last one. In this one, you can see this is N, this is M. So you need to find M and N. So what do you think?
Okay. For M and N. Okay, so this one, so it's a semicircle again. So there's a right angle is on top there.
Very good.
90.
Very good. This is right angle.
Plus
So
70.
then you know what to do. If one angle 90, N plus 70 also should be
90.
So N plus 70 should be 90.
Plus
Angle
7.
sum of triangle N equal to 20. Similarly, you can find M also. Ne?
Yeah. Okay. So M is then also 90. And then so 43 plus M must equal 90.
Exactly. Very good.
Okay.
Okay, we'll go to a few more questions. Okay, Naila, check the first one. What do you think? A?
The first one, 128. So 128, half of 128, right?
Very good. You can write 128 divided by 2. Reason we are writing. What? Tell me.
Reason is because
Angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference.
Okay.
Angle at center is twice angle at circumference. Remember, Naila, reasoning is very important, right?
Yeah,
So,
I'll look.
you must do the reasoning, right?
Yeah.
Because they allocating mark for geometrical reasoning separately, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, cool. So the value of A will be A equal 64 degrees. Part B. What do you think?
Part B, so that's 99. Okay, so I have to find both the sides for here. So for part B, that would equal taking up double, so 99. Is 99 and part B the same?
No. See, this is again the same theorem, but it is the other way around. Let me show you something from the first picture. Now, can you see this is angle subtended on the center, which is 128. If I draw this angle, this is reflex angle, right?
Sorry?
This is
Yeah.
reflex angle. If I connect these points over here, this red one is the angle subtended from these 2 points at
Yeah.
circumference. The same 2 point subtending angles on the center is this. So this red one, let's say theta, or let's say y, then this will be 2y. Same
Okay.
theorem, angle at the center twice the angle at the circumference.
Okay, so it's the same theorem. So
Only problem we can't directly identify it because it's a reflex angle.
okay.
See, now if I remove this one, if I draw it this way, you easily identify these two angles. Now here x, here 2x. But if I draw it the other way, it's little difficult for you to identify. If I tell this is 2x, x will be subtending on the x will be subtending on the other side. That's the reason.
Yeah, okay.
Got it? This is x. Same theorem.
So
But
same theorem.
same theorem, but the different sectors, different segments, right?
Yes.
So what is the
Okay.
value of b then?
The value of B would be
99 into 2,
2. So
which
that
is
would be 9.5.
198 ne?
Oh, 190. I have to times it.
Times it.
Okay, so B would equal, so it's 99 times 2, and then equals 198. Okay.
See, what do you think? Is that the same type of questions you found yesterday? Difficult. So, is out of circle theorems?
What we were doing, this was in our revision lesson today.
Okay.
Yeah, but yesterday with the circle theorems, I understood like the methods you were talking about. Wait, there was sorry, there was like percentages that wait, I'll tell you. I think I'll go through the questions today. If I find anything hard, I'll.
Yeah, that's much better. That's much better.
Yeah. There was. So yeah, it's like the percentages, but I think we'll just finish this off and then I'll just ask you about a few percentage questions.
Oh yeah, sure. No worries. No worries. So, what about the C part?
C, okay. C would it be like the same that we did in wait. would it be 21? Would I have to put it
Yeah,
at the same?
now this one, normally if this is 21, what is the value of this one?
The value of this one would it be double the?
Double the value. So you can, let's say, I'll put letter over here, maybe x. You can put a letter x. So you can write then x equal 21 into 2, x equal 42 degrees. Reason, the same reason, right? Angle at the center twice the angle at the circumference, right? So always write the reason. I'm not gonna write it now, but I'll just write angle at center twice. So then you know the value of x, can't you find c? You can write c plus x is
No,
equal
I
to
know
what?
the value of x. So
360.
that's 42. So that means 360.
Angle around point. Ne?
Yeah. So it's c. Then I have to find c. So 360. Okay, wait. So to do
360 minus 42, isn't it?
it's the one 318.
Exactly 308. That's easy, right? Try D also.
42, which is D. Okay. D is okay. Okay, so for D, it's 224. 224. So I have to go up and it will be less, it'll be half the amount, right?
Exactly. But because this follows the same like this one, right?
Yeah.
This angle is twice half of this angle, so D equal 224 divided by
We'll divide by 2.
Exactly. Good.
Would 112, and then 112 plus D equals 360. So 360 take away 112 will be 248.
Very good. Very good. 200, not 248.
Yeah.
Just half. D is just half of 224.
Oh yeah, yeah. D is half.
112. 112.
Oh, so they just asked me find 12. Yes, okay.
112, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Shall we try these 3 questions? Okay, E. What do you think? This is the value you need to find.
Okay. So for E, okay. So for E, it's so I have to mark it. So do I have to find out what double the amount of 53 is, or
Now this one step by step you need to figure out. Now you know this is isosceles triangle, don't you?
yeah,
Can't we mark this as E?
yeah, we can mark that as E as well.
Can't you find this angle?
This angle would be double 53.
Which is
50 is what's it? 106.
So you know 106 mean, can't you find it now?
Yeah, no, yeah. Hello?
You can, eh?
Yeah.
Always when you do, if it didn't give you the, can you hear me, Naila? Hello?
Yeah, it's breaking
Hello?
up.
Now can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna name this triangle as ABC triangle, right?
Okay. A,
Then I'm gonna write like this. I'm gonna write AOC angle equal 106. Reason angle at center twice angle at circumference. Right?
yeah.
Then you can write E plus 106 equal 180 angles in a triangle. Is that clear?
Yes. Okay.
2E
So
equal 180 minus 106.
E plus
2
E.
equal 74 divided by 2.
Okay, so I have to do 100 and so now I have to find 106. So E plus E equals 100 then I have to find 2E because there's two E's. 2E's. So that equals 180, take away 106, and then 74 divided by 2 is 37. Okay. I have it.
Okay, good. Try this one. What is the value of F?
F. Okay, so F.
I'll name the figure for you. A, B, O, C.
F. Okay. So we have 80 degrees. So then I have to find out what. Oh, wait.
Think. Now, if I connect it like this, Naila,
Yeah. Oh, okay.
isn't this also F?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Now you see it. See,
Yeah.
starting from C, and but if without this, it's difficult to find out that F is half of 80. Ne?
Yeah.
Now you know
Yeah.
it.
Okay.
F
So
equal
then
80
F40,
divided by 2.
which is 40.
40, what is the reason? Same reason. Yeah.
Yeah, because it's twice. Okay, so
Always write the reason. I know it's annoying to
yeah,
write the reason, but we
yeah,
don't have
yeah,
choice,
yeah, yeah.
right?
Um, so okay, okay.
Good. Shall we try G?
Yeah.
Okay, try it out. Whenever you get a figure like this, if they give it without capital letters Always put the letters.
Okay. So
Try it alone. I'm not going to help.
yeah. $94. And then A, B, G, C. Okay. So 94, then over here would be, okay, so if there's 94 degrees here, 94.
Let me help you. Okay, I'll give you a small clue.
Would it be, okay, so yeah, it'll be less on top, so half of 94.
Exactly. So we can write ACB angle is equal to 94 divided by 2, which is 47 degrees, right?
Yeah.
So you can then write G plus X equal 180 angles in a straight line.
Okay.
G equal 180 minus 47.
G equals 80 minus 47 degrees. G equals 133 degrees.
Good.
Okay.
Do a few more. After these few questions, we can finish circle theorems, right?
Yeah. So, which one is this? Is this circle theorems?
These circle theorems, the topic that we just covered is this part.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
This one. Now, yesterday we covered all the topics related to probability and statistics. But
Yeah.
today we are in this. Let me highlight and take it. This one we
just finished circles.
This one only the start one,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Circle using properties of circles and tangents, that also we covered. Tangent also we discussed.
Yeah.
Right. So Pythagoras theorem, if you need, I can do few questions.
Okay.
After this part, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Quickly try these 4 questions, then we'll finish. This is from the theorem. Angle at the same segment is equal. So first one, I'll write it for you. K equal 54 degrees. L also equal to 54 degrees. Reason angles. See, this is the reason. I'll go back to theorem. Angles subtended by an arc in the same segment are equal. In short format, we can write angles at the same segment equal.
Okay. For Okay. And is angles at the same. Okay.
Finish.
Yeah.
Okay, try the part B. Part B, how many angles you do have? N is there, M is there.
Okay. So for part B, okay, for part B, it's now I have to look at it as in the thing. So 74.
74 and M, what you can say?
Yeah, 74 and M. So 74 is half of M.
No, 74 is exactly equal to M.
M. Okay. So 74 is equals to M.
For the
Sorry, one
same
second.
reason, angle at the same segment. Angle at the same segment.
Okay, sorry.
Okay. M equal 74 degrees. See? Because see, they are starting, if I take these 2 points as A and B, starting point is same, A into A, let's say this point is D, this point is F,
Yeah.
ADB and AFB, same segment,
Yeah.
angles in same segment. So M equal 74, angles at same segment.
Okay. So 74 and then N, okay, so
What
I don't
about
know.
N?
N would be the same as 100. So is that 100? Yeah, 106.
R6. Because see, that is in the other opposite segment, but they are in same segment.
But they're the same, yes.
So you can write N
Okay.
equal also 106.
I
And
have this on the thing because I'm not very sure how to draw that.
same segment.
circle.
So not to draw that in the sense, which one?
I mean the circle, the B one.
V1 in the sense?
Yeah.
Explain me. I didn't get what you say. I got about that. Give me a minute.
No, it's okay.
Oh, shit.
Uh,
Okay, Nala.
yeah. Okay. So it's the same. So okay, I have that. Okay, so for C, would 61 and V be the same?
C, 61 and which letter?
V.
Double check.
61.
Let me
Wait.
zoom it up for you. 61 and which one is same? If I name this one is A,
B, A, B,
C,
C.
D.
Okay.
C, starting from A, going to C, coming to B.
Okay.
Starting from A, going to D, coming to B. Then
Okay.
61 is equal to what? W, ne? W equal 61 degrees. Angles at same segment. Got it.
Yeah, okay. So with this 61 okay, so DC B and A 61 would be the same. Yeah, so 61 would be the same as V. No, I mean W.
W, B.
For B, it would be V as the same.
Exactly. 31 and V will be same. So you can write. See, you saw that, right?
Yeah.
31 and V is same.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
So you can write V equal 31 degrees same.
Okay.
Next one.
Okay.
What do you think? Need to carefully figure out it.
Mm.
B, C, D.
Okay. So
Mm.
so we're trying to
What
find
you
C.
can tell about this angle?
This angle is going to be the same as C. It's going to be C.
Great. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. That is C. Why is that? This is
C because it's the same. Like how do I say? The angle is the same coming down. How would I say that again?
exactly. That's what I'm asking, because this is how you said according to which rule you're saying it's C, and that's what I'm wondering. I was wondering.
Um.
That should now theorems, right?
Yeah. Yes. Angles at the same segment are equal.
No, not that. If they are same segment, see this and this will be this is C.
Yeah.
If you ask what is it, I can say this is C.
Yeah.
I see starting from D, go to A, come to C. Starting
Yeah.
from D, go to B, come to C.
Yeah.
But this one and this one, this is not C.
That's not C. Okay. So with that one, would it be okay? So 130. Okay, so
This
36.
is exact. This is, can't you say this is 36?
Yeah.
By the reason. Starting
That's
from B, C, A. Starting
A.
from B, D,
Yeah.
A, which means angles. So I can write B, D, A angle equal 36. Angles at same segment. Then I can write C plus 130 plus 36 80, which is angles in a triangle. So then you can write C plus. Correct.
Okay.
I'm going shall we do few more? Oh, I think for circle theorem.
Yeah, is it
Enough,
okay?
Naila.
Huh?
I think for circle theorem, we discussed the circle theorem.
Yeah, and I'll go through it after this lesson. I'll go through the
Exactly. You do more
I'll
questions
do that.
which is given from school, not or somewhere, right?
Yeah, I have Dr. Frost Sparks. I'll use those. Sir, I wanted to ask you, so for I think I don't know which ones it was. It was so there's percentage change. We were doing it as well today in school. It's like there was an easy way. I don't know exactly what it's called. She didn't give the title. I want to just go through it again. It was like 406 like pounds of 20%. Like questions like those. I don't know which ones it's in. I don't know if it's percentage change or.
And do you have a question with you which you found difficult? No.
No, there was something I was struggling with, and I think percentage change I can go by fast. Index rules of positive indices. Can we, because algebraic fractions, I'm not sure actually. Is it okay if we go through the number really fast? Because I think.
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay.
Under number, which topics do you think that I want to discuss with you? You can specifically tell me, much easier.
Okay. Finding original values in percentage calculations. And then I think for roots and powers is indices of the form 1a, and then indices in the form of 1ab, and then index rules with positive indices.
Okay, so then let me start with finding original values in percentage calculations, right?
Okay.
Okay, I'll give you a question from that.
Okay, so I think. Okay. Oh, the questions aren't done. Okay. What? Okay, so for this, so they're asking for 20% off to 200. So what I do, I think there was an
is finding original, huh? Now original value, they are giving 20% discount, then value is 200.
Yeah, so for this, this one, will it be 0. Wait, I did some way. Okay, so 0.20 times 2. 0.20 times 200, which is 40, and then 200 plus 40 is 240. Is it 240 for the first one?
Let me check. Now, if you take the original value as x, you're multiplying x by 20% discount. Let's say normally these questions I use algebra. If original value is simple x, then you can write x into 100 minus 20, ne?
Yeah.
Over
100 minus 20. Okay,
because
okay.
we are giving discount, ne?
Yeah. Okay,
Then
discount.
value is 200. So x into 80 over 100 is 200. Now take that fraction to the other side. When you take 80 over 100 to other side, Naila, which will be 200 into 100 over 80. Your fraction, when you bring to the other side, fraction takes reciprocal. Did you get what I'm saying?
Yeah. Okay, 2000.
Got it. $250.
Okay. So x equals x times 100 minus 20 over 100. That equals 200, and then x times 80 over 100 equals 200. 200. Okay, so I have to first, for this, I have to do 100 take away 20. And then I have to divide it by 100, which equals 200. And then so 80 is coming from, yeah, so 100 take away 20 is 80. So then I have to divide it by 100, which is 200. And then 200 times 100, and then 80, and then I have to take 2 zeros away, which is 2000 over 8, like divided by 8, which is 250. Okay. Okay.
Let me give you a few more questions. Percentage of
Sir, is there a way, like, I don't know, like, if this is a different one, but is there a way where I can go 0.20 times 200, which is 40, and then 200 take away 40? But I know that wouldn't get the answer. She was explaining a way, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, that you're talking about percentage decrease. I'll give you a question like that. I'll use the same question, value.
Okay. Okay, so for that one, I was gonna ask, so it's 0.20, then I have to, what I did here was I times it by 200.
Shall I show you how to do it? Value of television set is 200. Selling value after discounts. If you're getting discount mean, so I'm writing final value of television. Final value of TV, which is now 200 was the price. After this, we are getting discount mean, Naila. From 100, you are subtracting 20. Then you are getting 200 into 80 over 100. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
So this you call what you call that, percentage multiply.
Yeah.
Which is 0.8. This 0.8 you call percentage multiply.
Yeah.
So what is the value when you multiply by 0.8?
Okay, so 200 times 0.8 is 160.
That's another method of doing this. Let me show you.
Okay.
Once I do that method, you will realize what I did.
Yeah, I'll write this method down. So 200.
You write this as method 1.
Yeah. Minus 20 over 100, which equals 200 times 80 over 100.
Now this we call percentage multiplier is this. This we call decimal multiplier. Same thing. Percentage, once you convert into decimal, we call decimal multiplier.
Okay. Okay.
Method 2, same way we can do discount amount. Discount amount. Rather than finding final value, you are finding discount amount. For that, what you do is you multiply 200 by.
You have to divide 200, multiply 200 by 20.
20 over 100 because you are getting 20% discount,
Yeah.
which will give you $40 discount. Nee?
Yeah.
Now what you do? Therefore, final value of TV. 200 was the initial values. 40 we
Yeah.
subtract. Same
Yeah.
answer.
Yeah. That was the way I was talking about.
Okay. That method also write down. But I prefer first method, nah?
Yeah, okay. The first method's better.
Better because it's less number of steps.
Okay. Okay.
Finish.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me give you another question. Increase, which is percentage increase. Decrease discount. So I gave you $1,000 salary.
Okay.
So Anisa, is she calling you every day?
Yeah, she calls every day, but she's very busy now. So we're texting and everything.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
What she's doing over there and what's her degree about?
She's doing I think it's clinical psychology or psychology.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, she's doing psych.
Good.
Yeah. Okay, so I'll do 2,000. I mean 1,000. 1,000 times 15 over 100 equals and times 15 equals 150, then equals 1,000 take away Sir, is it 850?
It's 850. No, wrong. Why? She
Is
got pay rise. You got what?
You
So
have
how
to
are you
add
gonna do
it.
it? So
So
new salary.
1,150.
New salary. You use the first method, nah? New salary,
First, oh, okay.
which is 1,000 into, now you add this percentage to 100 because since you're getting pay rise
Yeah.
and divide by 100. This is what you call a percentage, percentage multiply.
Yeah.
So you can write it as decimal multiply 150 now 100 mean 1.15. Just multiply it and see.
So you multiply. Okay, wait, let me see. So 1,000 times 0.15.
1,150.
1,000. Yeah.
Now you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay, wait, let me copy this down. So
If you use second method, that's totally fine. In second method, what you do is you first calculate what
I
they
think,
has increased and then you add it to 1,000, right?
yeah.
Always check, Naila, is this discount or pay rise?
Yeah. And
Because depend upon that, you need to decide whether you subtracting it out of 100 or adding it
yeah.
out to 100.
Yeah. Sir, I'm just gonna put my laptop to charge.
Yeah, sure. No.
Okay. So okay. Sir, with the I just wanna make the things I'm finding hard just to get it over and done with. So I wanna just show you the things that I'm finding hard. So
Yeah, definitely.
yeah, wait, let me find the checklist.
Shall I go back?
Okay.
It's over here.
Yeah. Okay. So the percent. Okay. Calculating roots and powers. I think I've already covered that. Index result. So for algebra, I haven't really covered much, but is it okay? So simplifying algebraic fractions by canceling common factors. Okay. Can we look through the simultaneous equations?
Definitely.
Okay.
I'll give you some simultaneous equations.
Okay.
Give me 1 minute. Simultaneous equations. Okay. So I got two equations.
Okay.
Okay, so let me show you what are the steps that you need to follow when you do question like this, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Question number 1. Very first thing you need to do, Naila, you need to name these two equations like this. Draw line, circle, name it as equation 1 and equation 2, right? Then check. Now you have two unknowns.
Yeah.
Check whether you have unknowns with same coefficients, right? It doesn't matter whether that coefficient is +3 or even if it is -3 over here. If the coefficient mean, you know what coefficient, right? When I write coefficient is this 2. When I write,
Okay.
if I write 3x, coefficient is 3. If I just write x, what is the coefficient?
X is 5.
No, if I write just x, invisible
Just
coefficient
X is
1, right? So here you can see coefficients of 3y is equal, isn't it?
1. Yeah.
So we are using method called elimination method. To do elimination method, coefficient should be equal. right? So what I'm doing is, the next thing you need to do is, we found out y coefficient is same, right?
Yeah.
So what I'm doing is, I need to remove this. If the sign of both equal coefficients same, mean what you can do is subtract equation 1 minus equation 2, right?
Mm.
So 5x plus 3y minus, when you put minus, when you write the next equation, make sure you write it inside the bracket. 41 minus 20. Got it?
Yes.
Then 5x plus 3y minus 2x minus 3y equal 21. 3y to 3y cancel out. 5x minus 2x, 3x equal 21. If we divide it by 3, 3 to 3 cancel, x equals 7. Correct.
Okay. X equals 7. Okay, so I cancel out 3y. Okay.
Now this is not the final answer. We need to substitute this. Now I'm writing x equals 7. I'm going to substitute into equation 1. Right? Let me do it over here. 5 into 7 plus 3y equal 41. 35 equal, sorry, 35 plus 3y equal 41. 3y equal 6, y equal 2.
Okay. So
Okay, is that clear, Naila?
okay. I feel like I haven't got it complete. Can you just can you just explain the steps to me, like with the thing on the board?
Yeah, sure, definitely. Now, let me explain again. Our plan is to eliminate y.
Yeah.
So for that, the steps we need to do is, we need to check the coefficient of
Yeah.
y. Both are positive 3's.
Okay.
Which means we need to subtract equation 1 minus equation 2. When you subtract left hand side separately, right hand sides separately.
Yeah.
So left hand 5x plus 3y minus, inside bracket, right hand side, left hand side of the other equation, 41 minus 20. So
Yeah.
I need to multiply this whole bracket out of minus 1, then I'm getting minus 2x minus 3y. Then plus 3y minus 3y will be simplified together. 5x minus 2x, which I'm getting 3x.
Yeah.
Here I'm getting 21. So I divide it by 3, I got x equals 7. Is that clear to you up to there?
Yeah.
Then what I did was, I used this x equals 7 on any equation you like. Doesn't matter whether you substitute it over to 1 or substitute over to 2. So 5 into 7, 35 plus 3y equals 41. If you take 35 over here, which 41 minus 35, 6. You divide it by 3, you got 2.
Okay.
That way, right? This is actually a very big lesson, simultaneous equation.
Yeah.
Hey, there are a lot of things I need to teach you.
Yeah.
That's why maybe it's not that clear, but don't worry, Naila. Now you do your best tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Yes.
all these topics I'm taking a lot of time and explaining it to you in the
Yeah.
future, right?
Okay. So
Just try, as you understand. So
yeah.
because
Yeah. Because it's not. I,
let me try with one more question.
okay.
Yeah. Okay, I'll get this one. Okay, you finished copying this, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we'll try this one also. Now, this one also, what I'm doing is I'm naming this as equation 1, equation 2, right?
Okay. Yes.
Then, if you check these two equations, can you see this one is plus 4y, this one is minus 4y.
Yeah.
We are not going to eliminate x because their coefficients are not equal, right?
Yeah, they are. Yeah.
If you need, you can eliminate. For that, you need to do is equation 1 multiplied by 2. The whole equation 1 you need to multiply it by 2, and you need to prepare a new equation, right? But we don't need to go there. We can just eliminate y. So what
Yeah.
I'm doing is I'm just writing 1 plus 2. Why I wrote 1 plus 2? Because previous one, both coefficient terms were positive, but here one positive, one negative.
Yeah.
That is why I'm adding them. Then this is what I'm going to write: 2x plus 4y plus 4x minus 4y 14 plus 4. Now if you check this, you will see this 4y and minus 4y will give you 0. 2x plus 4x will give you 6x. This will give you 18. If you divide it by 6, x is 3. Got it?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Now what you can do is you can go and substitute that in somewhere else. So that's what I'm going to do. X equal 3. Substitute into equation 1. Then you are writing, see, 2 into 3 plus 4y equal 14. I substituted x value over here, right?
Yeah.
See, then I'm getting 6 plus 4y equal 14. To the side, 4y equal 8, y equal 2. Got it. I know this might not be that clear to you.
No, it's okay. Yeah. Um, I think I've done this before, but I don't know if I've used another method because something's coming because I've definitely I remember doing this, but I don't know if it was in the same way. I feel like I
To be honest, for simultaneous, there's no other method. Substitution method is there. This
okay.
what we used over here is elimination method. Substitution method is complex than this.
Okay.
So this is the easiest method, to be honest.
Okay. Okay, I wrote it down.
Okay, Naila. So I think it's
Yeah,
call it a day. So try your best in tomorrow exam and you do a revision and let me know if you find anything difficult. You share a picture with me.
I will, yes.
I'll give you back. So don't worry, right? You do as you know.
Yeah,
We have time for the final exam anyway. So
yeah,
we'll
yes.
start from the beginning. You are doing it on 2024, right?
So,
24, you do your all level next
on
year.
24th of next year. Next
Next-
year, when again? Sorry?
Next year, June, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, next year, June, yes, GCSEs, yes. So there's
Yes.
time.
Yeah, there's time. So we'll quickly finish the syllabus and start papers, right?
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, Naila. See you.
See you.
Bye. Bye.